How to clean oven racks. The racks have just been pulled from the oven, dull, grimy, and marked by layers of baked-on residue. It's a familiar sight in any busy kitchen, and often the reason people put off deep cleaning altogether. Yet, with the right approach, restoring these racks to a clean, polished state is far easier than it appears. In today's guide, the process will be broken down step by step, showing exactly how to remove stubborn buildup without damaging the metal or spending hours scrubbing. By understanding the proper tools, soaking methods, and cleaning techniques, viewers will see how manageable this task can be. This introduction sets the stage for a clear, professional walkthrough that turns an intimidating chore into a straightforward part of regular kitchen maintenance. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to using ammonia, soaking racks in the tub, and spraying with a commercial cleaner. Now let's get started. Things you should know. 1. For a hands-off way to break down grease and grime, place your oven racks in a heavy-duty trash bag with 2 cups of ammonia and leave the bag outside overnight. 2. If you prefer to clean the racks inside, place them in your tub on top of 5 to 6 dryer sheets and soak them in soapy water overnight, then use the sheets to scrub the racks the next day. 3. To get rid of heavy buildup, take the racks outside and spray them generously with commercial oven cleaner, scrubbing them thoroughly after about an hour. Method 1. Using ammonia. Things you'll need. 1. Heavy-duty trash bag. 2. Ammonia. 3. Tape or rubber bands. 4. Gloves. 5. Water. 6. Clean towel. Number 1. Place the oven racks in a new trash bag with 2 cups, 0.50 qt, of ammonia. It's best to choose a heavy-duty bag, to prevent rips and leaks, that's large enough to hold the racks. It's actually the fumes from the ammonia, not the liquid itself, that clean the racks, so you don't need more than 2 cups, 0.50 qt. Number 2. Seal the bag and let it sit outside overnight. Use tape or rubber bands to seal it securely and keep the fumes contained. Place the bag outside or in a garage or shed overnight, rather than keeping it in your home. If you absolutely cannot leave the bag outside, place it in the bathtub with the bathroom window open or ventilation fan on. Number 3. Open the bag in the morning and remove the racks. Put on gloves and make sure you open the bag outside or in a well-ventilated area. Remove the racks and place them in the sink or tub. Flush the ammonia down the toilet or pour it down the drain with plenty of water and dispose of the bag in the garbage can. Number 4. Rinse the racks thoroughly, then dry and replace them. Use hot water to rinse the gunk and ammonia off the racks. Dry them with a clean towel, then put them back in your oven. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Soaking racks in the tub. Things you'll need. 1. Dryer sheets. 2. Dish soap. 3. Water. 4. Clean towel. 5. Non-scratch scouring pad. Number 1. Set the racks on top of 6 to 8 dryer sheets in the tub. Spread 6 to 8 dryer sheets out along the bottom of your bathtub, then place the oven racks on top of them. The anti-static properties in dryer sheets help remove the baked-on gunk from the metal racks. You can do this one at a time or do all the racks at once. Number 2. Cover the racks with hot water and add a quarter cup, 59 milliliters, of dish soap. Plug the tub and let the hot water run. Squirt in a quarter cup, 59 milliliters, of your everyday dish soap and agitate the water. Turn off the water when the racks are covered by several inches of water. Number 3. Let the racks soak overnight. If you are in a hurry, let the racks soak for at least 4 hours before moving on to the next step. However, letting them soak overnight will allow more of the gunk to be removed, which means less scrubbing. Number 4. Use the dryer sheets to scrub the racks. In the morning, or after 4 hours have passed, use the dryer sheets to wipe the gunk off of each rack. For especially stubborn stains, you may need to use a non-scratch scouring pad. Number 5. Rinse and dry the racks before replacing them. Let the water out of the tub while scrubbing the racks, then rinse them with hot water. Dry the racks with a clean towel and then put them back in your oven. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Spraying with a commercial cleaner. Things you'll need. 1. Plastic sheeting, newspaper, or old towels. 2. Commercial cleaner. 3. Gloves. 4. Non-scratch scouring pad. 5. Garden hose. 6. Clean towel. Number 1. Lay the racks outside on a sheet of plastic. It's important that you do this outside to let the fumes from the commercial cleaner dissipate. If you don't have a sheet of plastic, you could use newspaper or old towels instead. Lay the racks in a single layer rather than stacking them. Number 2. Spray the racks with a commercial cleaner and let them soak for an hour. Put on gloves before spraying the cleaner. Flip each rack over and spray the other side as well. For best results, let the cleaner soak for an hour. Number 3. Scrub the racks and rinse them off with the hose. Put on gloves and use a non-scratch scouring pad to scrub the gunk off the racks. Use a garden hose to rinse off the racks when you're finished. Dry them with a clean towel, then put them back in your oven. Dispose of the plastic or newspaper or wash the towels. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Warnings. 1. Be careful when working with chemicals like ammonia and commercial cleaner. Ensure the area is well ventilated and wear gloves, eye protection, and a mask. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.